Boy, it feels funny having this nail bag on. I've been on the mainland visiting my mother. This is the first time I've had this nail bag on for over 6 months, maybe even close to 7 months now. And you know what? I forgot my hammer. I don't know where it is. It's probably over at the other condo. Okay, so before I do that, I'm going to take a cat's paw. Here's my cat's paw. I probably should get another one of these, but this has been with me for quite some time. And I'm just going to put it underneath here, like that. So I got the cat's paw like that, and now I'm going to loosen up those screws. Up here, let's see. And you know, the first time with this drill, I just unpackaged it the other day. And if you haven't seen that, you probably should take a look at it, because I might be giving something away on a tool contest. Just hang on to this and tighten it up like that, okay? And so I'm gonna get up in there, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just loosen those screws up. I kind of doubt that I'm going to be able to tighten it up all the way and take that sag out. I think I'm going to have to do something different, but let's just take a quick look at this, shall we? Okay, now I can push this up, and then I can kick this under, and I'm on the carpet, so I'm going to put my putty knife underneath that so I can push it along. I can. It's kind of tricky. See, if I was here with another person, they could push this under. But hey, I'm here by myself, and I believe I can get it. I'm just gonna have to work at it a little bit here. If I had my hammer, I could tap on that, couldn't I? How am I going to do that? See here. See, I got to push that over further. Push it up there. Slide it along. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, this up here, let's push the hinge over. I just don't think it's going to be near enough, though, to tighten this up now. Yeah. Yeah. See, these screws are so small, and they're only going in so far. See this? This screw here, it's only that long. Okay. And because that sags so much, these are not going to hold it anymore. And I know what I'm going to have to do is take those screws out. Now I can pop the hinge off. Okay. That. Now I'm going to have to pre-drill some holes in there and put some long screws in there. You see if I pre-drill some holes, see, that way I don't have to put a screw up here and a surface screw right there. I can put them in here, and I want to grab it in the corner there. This one, I might be able to get into the corner. Yeah, I can still get it into the corner without hitting that screw, because that's where the 4 hinge screws are going to go, see? Well, I put it here and drive it in. I don't want to get it too close, because 1/2 inch sheetrock is from here over to there. If I were to drill a hole straight in, right in here, those screws wouldn't hit. And if I moved it over just barely, it's barely going to hit the 2x4, and then it's going to split it out. It's not going to get the holding power. So I'm going to have to drill here and kind of you know, slightly angle it just a little bit so I can still get my drill in here later and suck that in. That's my first bit of business on this door. I hope I can get it. And I believe I'm gonna have to take this, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take this hinge off too and do the same thing, because remember the gap that we saw there going up? Okay, think about your project and get going.